Thank you for joining me to review how to receive FDA clearance and sell your medical device in the United States. In this part 1 of a 4-part series, we will focus on clearance by 510(k), review who we are, determine the class, codes, regulations, and open it up for discussion. FDA Compliance Help is staffed by a small group of regulatory specialists. We install quality systems, prepare and shepherd 510(k) submissions to approval, and do ISO FDA compliance audits. Our business model allows us to keep overhead low and provide high quality at an affordable price. Plus, you're covered by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. The United States FDA places devices in 3 classes, from the minimal risk Class 1 to the high risk Class 3. Most Class 1 devices only need to be listed with the FDA. 510(k) is not required. Class 2 almost always requires a 510(k), and 10% require clinical data. It usually takes 4 to 9 months from start to finish to clear a new device. Class 3 requires a pre-market approval application and clinical trials. The PMA take 3 years or more to get FDA approval. Historically, less than 10% of devices are listed as Class 3. You will be able to classify your device by carefully following the steps we will illustrate. But be advised, classifying, listing, and preparing a submission requires attention to detail, data collection, and technical data presentation skills. The time it takes to gain 510(k) approval is highly dependent on the quality of the submission. Doing it yourself is possible but not usually advisable. A consultant will almost always get your device to market sooner. To identify the class, you should first go to the FDA Medical Device Database page and click on Classification. Enter a simple word that describes the device or function. In our example, we have entered suture and clicked on the Search button. Our search resulted in 32 different device names, and after reviewing them we tentatively think the endoscopic tissue approximation device is the best fit. Note it is a Class 2 device with product code OCW. In part 2 of this 4-part series, we will click on the best fit device and explain how to use the FDA product code database to confirm the classification. Please go to part 2, or go to our website at fdacompliancehelp.com. As always, we would be happy to answer your questions. Call us at 1-919-942-1634, no charge for Q&A. Thank you for listening.